All right, so let's talk about ChatGPT. You're probably wondering what GPT stands for. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Makes complete sense, right? Let's go ahead and define this one by one so that when your boss asks you about this new technology, you can sound like a genius. All right, when I say generative, that just means, GPT models are capable of generating new content based on patterns and context that they've learned from training data. They can create human-like text that is both contextually relevant and coherent. When I say pre-trained, it means these models are pre-trained on vast amounts of text data from diverse sources, allowing them to learn a wide range of linguistic patterns, grammar, facts, and context. This pre-training process forms the foundation for their ability to generate high-quality text. The transformer part of GPT, that just means that GPT models are built on the transformer architecture. It's a neural network model designed for natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT is what's known as an LLM. So when you hear that term LLM, it just means large language model. By large, I mean very large. ChatGPT 4 utilizes over 1 trillion parameters that can autonomously change during the learning process. With the latest release, GPT-4, it can even interpret images. This is known as multimodal, a multimodal model, meaning I can give it a picture of the contents of my fridge and ask it what meals I can create from it, and it will give me a list of options. Or let's say you have a hand-drawn napkin sketch of a website. You can upload the picture of that, ask it to write code for the website, and then right then and there you have your website created. If I could see you right now, I mean, this is some crazy technology. I mean, your heads have to be exploding if you didn't know this already, because mine sure did. When I see a little thing showing up on the thing. So I just want to make one last comment about large language models before you think that it will become sentient and take over the world. In its most basic form, all it is doing is predicting what the next word is going to be, based on all the training it received. There are obviously more nuts and bolts going on, but basically it's just a very advanced word predicting machine based on historical information. And sometimes it makes the wrong prediction, which in AI terms is called hallucinations. This is why it's important to vet any output before taking it as true.